Hello guys, welcome to Lytical Preps. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So we are having 4 exponents a is equal to 100. Okay, so with this, we are looking for a. Okay, so first thing you have to do to introduce logarithm to both sides. So we are going to get log 4 exponent a is equal to 100. Okay, now this is the same as a log 4 is equal to, now this log 100 we can express it as log into bracket 10 squared. Okay, now we divide both sides by 2, or you can further simplify this, which is a log 4 is equal to 2 log 10. Okay, now a is equal to 2 log 10 on log 4. Okay, so now we are going to get a is equal to 2 log 10 over this 4, we can express it as log into bracket 2 exponent 2 like this. Okay, so now our a is equal to 2 log 10 on 2 log 2 like this. Now these two will cancel this, so leaving a is equal to log 10 on log 2. Okay, now this log 10 is the same as 1. Okay, because log 10 base 10 is 1, so we are having a is equal to 1 on log 2. Okay, so this is our a. Now let's check to see if the a is indeed equal to 1 on log 2. So we're having 4 exponents a, which is equal to 100. So 4 exponents, now our a is 1 on log 2, and is equal to 100. Now this 1 on log 2 is the same as 4 exponents log 10 on log 2. Is equal to 100. So when you use a calculator and you point this, you are getting 100 is equal to 100. So it is true that our a is equal to log, 1 on log 2. Okay, so this is our final answer for this expression. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tricky questions. Bye bye.